Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to put in toners into a Bizhub C224e. So what you do, you can click here. There's nothing but the machine still can print. So I'm going to get you the machines. That's fine. Start with the black one. Out the black one. Take it out from there. Then take out this. Okay, this toners has no chip, right? So put in like this. Okay, once it's in like this, then you turn it to lock it. It's gonna click tip, so go to Cyan, I think. It's yellow. This is yes, Cyan. Okay, this has a chip, but it's not mainly for this machine, but it goes into this machine. Okay. It's gonna give us some issues. Okay. Okay. Wow. It got messed up. I'm gonna use another toner for that. Yellow, magenta. It's the same like that. And we're going to look into magenta. Magenta should be fine. Take it out. Okay. Okay. When you click it, then it's fine. So okay, that's it. So it's fine. Then you can close. But I'm gonna clean up and see how I can deal with this. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.